Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media. Top for Best Microscopes Review. Number 4. This 1600x digital microscope camera is a portable, 3-in-1 device with Type-C and USB compatibility, ideal for soldering and cell phone repair. Featuring LED magnification, it provides clear, detailed views for precision tasks. Compact and user-friendly, it's perfect for professionals and hobbyists seeking high-quality electronic inspection tools. Number 3. Description: Zoom 40x 1000x 2000x 4000x HD Biological Microscope Student Educational Science Laboratory LED Light Phone Holder Electronic Eyepiece, Fully Coated Glass Optics, Full Metal Lens Body, with Single Eye Head, a rotatable target stand with 3 targets, coaxial coarse and fine adjustment knobs, adjustable arms, 45 degrees to 90 degrees, comfortable to watch. Must be illuminated with natural light through a mirror. The microscope has a sturdy metal arm, making it excellent value for money. Number 2. Specifications: magnification ratio 500x, 1500x, draw tube, monocular, material, aluminium alloy, origin, mainland China, model number, digital microscope, brand name, Eyepiece. Theory: video microscope. Features: high definition portable digital Eyepiece model, EDM9. Number 1. This Zoom 2000x Biological HD Microscope offers high magnification for detailed observations, making it ideal for student labs and educational use. Equipped with 13 accessories and an electronic eyepiece, it provides enhanced viewing. The monocular design, along with LED lighting and USB connectivity, ensures a versatile and user-friendly experience for laboratory and scientific studies. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.